Top of the morning to you. What kind of question was that? Have you ever been asked that question that's just draining, debilitating, removing life, excitement, and happiness from you? Have you ever been the source of that question? Why didn't you get your homework done? Why can't you get good grades? Why isn't the trash taken out? Why isn't this? Why isn't that? Those are just draining questions. I just got done listening to Toby Mac, Speak Life. What a great song. What if we go a step further with these questions and you're asking these questions to yourself? You're draining yourself. You're committing suicide by the words and the phrases that you use. So speak life, question life into people. Instead of, why didn't you get the trash out? What does it take to get the trash out? What does it take? Creates creativity. It creates imagination. It creates a question that has an answer that creates life. Our brain automatically starts creating whatever we ask it. Why can't you get the trash out? Creates, well, I forget about it, and thinking about all the excuses, all the reasons we don't get the things done that we want to get. That question of what does it take starts thinking about, oh, I could set an alarm, I could set a timer, I could set something on my watch, I could put it on the calendar, I could put it on a mirror. All of a sudden, we're creating all the possibilities for getting the fruit or the result that we're looking for. And we do this inside ourselves. Oh, why did I gain a pound? Why did I sleep in? Why did I do that? Well, how come I'm so fat? How come I can't do that? How come I'm so weak? How come I ate that sugar? Instead of, those are all defeatist, draining questions. Those are destroying questions, words of death, words of suicide. It sets our brain on a trajectory of creation of negativity. Instead, looking for how. Get rid of the why, get rid of that, start talking about what does it take, how can I, what would it mean? Those are creative life questions that create the life, create the energy, create that positive design, that positive imagination, that positive synergy with the Holy Spirit, the Spirit, and the people around. Maybe if I connected with these other people, that would make me more motivated to go to the gym. If I went to the gym every day, if I had a goal out in the future of a reward that's not going to debilitate all the work that I've done at the end. Now I'm creating ideas, I'm creating inspiration, I'm creating flow, I'm creating life. Speak life with your words, speak life with your questions, especially when you talk to you. You are the most damaging part of you. Create that opposite of you are the most creative part of you. You are the most positive part of you. You are God's creation, and He made you in His image to create and speak words of life and to grow in life, creativity, and abundance for yourself and for your others. Bless yourself first by talking to yourself that way, and start talking to your wife, your kids, your family, your colleagues, your coworkers, your team in the same way. You be blessed. If you're stuck in this rut of speaking death and draining life around you and in you, let's talk. Let's get into mastermind or coaching together and find a better way. Break through that past and change your mindset. Transform your position and speak life. Go to brian.chat and pick a time and we'll start this conversation.